Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass, Math Sub. Today I shall explain question number 13, exercise 5.7, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, if y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, then show that x square dot y2 plus x dot y1 plus y is equal to 0. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that here I shall write given that y equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Comma to show x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0. Here I shall write implied that y equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Again I shall write differentiating y wrt x. We shall get implied that d over dx of y equal to 3 dot d over dx of cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Implied that here in center function y is available and here in denominator x is available. That's why d will be conjugated with y comes out to be dy over dx equal to, here I shall write 3 dot d over dx of cos log x. Cos log x is a composite function in which the core function is log x and whole function is cos log x. Here by applying chain rule, we shall differentiate cos of log x with respect to x. So here I shall open curly bracket. Let cos x be one unit. As x, the d over dx of cos x comes out to be minus sin x. So here I shall write minus sin. In place of x, I shall write log x dot d over dx of core function log x curly bracket close plus 4 I shall write in bracket dot open here curly bracket now here again I shall write d over dx of sine log x. So here 4 I shall write in bracket dot d over dx of sine log x. Sine log x is a composite function in which the core function is log x and whole function is sine log x. Treat log x as one unit as x, d over dx of sine x comes out to be cos x. So here I shall write cos, in place of x I shall write log x dot d over dx of core function log x, curly bracket close. This thing you have got here. Now again I shall write dy over dx equal to 3 will be written in bracket dot minus sine log x dot d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x, curly bracket close, plus 4 open here again curly bracket cos log x dot d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. This thing you have got. We know that dy over dx equal to y1. This is a formula you must remember. Dy over dx equal to y1, we must remember, this is the formula. So here I shall write y1 equal to 3, y1 equal to, I shall write minus 3 sine log x whole over x plus 4 cos log x whole over x. I shall write imply that y1 equal to y1 equal to 4 cos log x minus 3 sine log x whole over x. So again I shall write imply that here y1 is there, here you can see y1 is available. But now x y1 I shall get. Here multiply by x in both sides of the equation. So here left hand side y1 is available, so y1 will be multiplied by x, comes out to be, here you will get x y1 equal to, here x will be multiplied, will get this one, and in bracket we shall get 4 cos log x minus 3 sine log x whole over x. This x will be cancelled out, we'll get here x y1 equal to 4 cos log x minus 3 sine log x. This thing you have got. X y1 equal to 4 cos log x minus 3 sin log x. This thing you have got it. Again I shall write differentiating x y1 WRT x. We shall get, so here I shall write d over dx of x1 y1 equal to 4 dot d over dx of cos log x minus 3 dot, this is minus 3 dot d over dx of sin log x. 4 dot d over dx of cos log x minus 3 dot d over dx of sin log x. So here we shall get, here x1 is first function and y1 is second function. First function is multiplied to second function. So here I shall use product rule. By using the product rule, we shall get first function as it is dot d over dx of y1 equal to plus second function y1 as it is dot d over dx of x. This thing will be written in curly bracket equal to 4 I shall write as it is dot, open here curly bracket, d over dx of cos log x. Cos log x is a composite function in which the core function is log x and whole function is cos log x. For time being, treat the core function log x as x. So we shall get d over dx of cos x comes out to be minus sin, in place of x I shall write log x dot d over dx of core function log x. So d over dx of log x I shall write curly bracket close minus 3 dot, open here curly bracket, sin log x is a composite function in which the core function is log x and whole function is sin log x. Treat log x as one unit as x, it will become d over dx of sin x comes out to be cos x. In place of x I shall write log x dot d over dx of core function log x. Close here curly bracket. I shall write x will be written as it is dot d over dx of y1. d over dx of y1 comes out to be, here y1 is equal to dy over dx you have got, and now d over dx of y1 comes out to be d square y over dx square comes out to be y2. This is the formula we must remember. Formula I am going to enclose all formulas in the box. y1 equal to dy over dx. And now d over dx of y1 equal to d over dx of dy over dx comes out to be d square y over dx square. equal to y2. So here d over dx of y1 I shall write y2 plus y1. We know that d over dx of x comes out to be 1 dot 1. This thing we have got. Now again I shall get equal to, here I shall write 4 in bracket dot, here I shall write minus sine log x dot d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. So here write x. Minus 3 I shall write here and open here curly bracket and cos log x. So here write cos log x dot d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. So here write x. This thing we have got. Now again I shall write here, you can see 4 over x is there. It comes out to be, here both side, left hand side and right hand side, multiply by x. So here in left hand side I shall multiply by x. So on multiplying by x, so here write x dot curly bracket x y2 plus y1 curly bracket close. X dot in curly bracket x dot y2 plus y1 curly bracket close dot, here I shall multiply by x. So both term, this term and this term will be multiplied by x. So here 4 will multiply by x, so comes out to be 4x dot minus sine log x whole over x. 4 will multiply by x, it comes out to be 4x over x, in bracket I shall write minus sine log x bracket close. Here I shall write minus 3 will multiply by x, comes out to be 3x dot in bracket cos log x, we have got whole over x. This x will be cancelled out, this x will be cancelled out. You will get here implied that x will enter inside curly brackets, curly bracket will be broken. X will multiply to first term x y2, comes out to be x square y2. So here write x square y2 plus x will multiply to second term y1, comes out to be x y1 equal to, now here x has been cancelled out, we will get here minus sine minus 4 sine log x minus 4 sine log x minus 3 cos log x. This thing you have got. Now again I shall write implied that x square y2 plus xy1 equal to, here I shall take -1 as a common. So here write -1 as a common. So we will get here in bracket 4 sin log x plus 3 cos log x, curly bracket close, this one bracket is also closed. Here you can see 4 sin log x plus 3 cos log x comes out to be y. Here you can refer this one and this one. Just daily 4 sin log x plus 3 cos log x. The whole value from this place to this place will be substituted by y. So here I shall write imply that x square dot y2 plus xy1 equal to minus y. Imply that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y equal to 0. So here you can see x square y2 plus xy1 plus xy1 plus y equal to 0. So this thing you have proved. Final result you have got implied that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y equal to 0. QED, quote iterate demandendum iti siddham, iti siddham quote iterate demandendum. So here I have shown x square y2 plus xy1 plus y equal to 0. In this way this question has been solved and fully explained. Question number 13, exercise 5.7, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Okay guys, thanks.